So here is the parts for Cherokee 2015. I know it's kind of messy, but I want to do it because the car is already on the shop, so I want to get this stuff out of my house soon as possible so he can try to fix it. These are the basic, there's more stuff coming, and like the whole cooling system, the radiator, the AC condenser, the fan, the oil cooler, everything coming later. I'm gonna go to the salvage yard and pick them up because that's the best parts. And so let's go through what we have. So here is the front bumper, the lower bumper. For some reason really hard to find this piece, and the one that I found is, I mean, it's strong, but it need to be like, because it's already came in a, see, those are the boxes. If you can see in my messy garage, those are the boxes, those are the compact boxes the parts came on. So this is the front lower bumper. I'm still waiting on the front bumper, headlights, the signal lamps and everything. And this is the, oh, that's the lower rear bumper. That's the lower bumper. This is the part that really hard to find, but I finally found one for $150. And like you can see, like it comes like this, and they all get deformed. And the original one also is really flimsy, so I don't worry about it. Probably like heat it up, like keep it in the sun, because they all came cramped up. And this is the beautiful lower grille. It's pretty good quality. And this is the lower grille cover, and the reinforcement bar, all aluminum, hardened aluminum. I think this is the diamond grade or something. I didn't read the description, but it's all original. It's not the metal one. It's heavy. Probably you don't hear that sound because it's covered. And these are the hood latches. And one of the most expensive parts in the Grand Cherokee, on the Cherokee, is the radiator support. This alone is like $350 or something, or $375. Really expensive for a radiator support. But it came with the whole thing. I mean, it's pretty good quality though. It's all metal. And that's the grill cover. That's right there is the grill cover bracket. Excuse me. And these are the fenders. Kappa. It's all Kappa certified. And this is the hood. I did not open it because I don't want the hood to get damaged. So this is the, right now, this is the parts I got. But I will get more parts. Hopefully I'll go to tomorrow to the salvage yard, and I'll try to take you guys with me. So I'm running out of breath because it's been a busy day. So these are the parts right now we have. And let me show you for the tonight. I'm gonna take all this, and oh my bad, I forgot. These are the grill. It's like $100 for this. I got the black one. These are the LED headlights, fog lights, everything. Make it cool and nice. So I'm waiting on the headlight, signal lamps, the front bumper, and all the cooling system. So hopefully I can get them tomorrow. So let's go check it out tomorrow. All right, this is the donor car. Came to the salvage yard to pick what I need. Everything is on blue. Has been marked that I need. AC lines, the radiator hose, I guess that's the pipes. All right, like you guys saw, That was the donor Cherokee. I guess it was a 2016 or 17. I tried to buy it online, but the parts were pretty expensive, especially internal components. I probably calculate it's gonna cost me around close to 1200 bucks with all the aluminum pipes, the radiator pipes and everything. So like you saw in the previous video, the all the parts I marked with blue tape. The Salvage Yard guy gonna give it to me, so hopefully he'll give me a good deal and we'll see. So I went there Saturday, today is Tuesday, so hopefully he'll give me a call tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So as soon as he calls me, I'll go pick them up. All right, so I'll see you guys on Thursday or Wednesday. All right, look at it. Isn't she a beauty? Well, it's not about this beauty. It's about what is inside of this beauty. So today I got off around like 5 and went to Winfield, which is about an hour away from me. And I got all these parts. Voila. Sorry, it's dripping because I just took it to the car wash. What do we have here? So remember I showed the previously I showed you the car. So he finally, after 5 days, he finally called me and said like, hey, the parts are ready. He's a really great gentleman in Winfield called Lambert Salvage. If you want any parts, go over there. You will get really good quality parts. I mean, look at them, like they put them without breaking or anything. I did this, so, and I put this like that. He's running, they remove it really carefully. So what we have here is, ooh, look at that guy. This is Tiggy. Say hi, Tiger. He's the biggest cat I got. See, that's my hand. And that's it. You big little guy. Oh yeah, he like it. He's going to check what's going on in the garage. What, buddy? Ooh, look at that. That's Sammy. It's a Russian blue. They all are male and he's big guy, small guy. There's another one, Milo. You guys probably seen him in my previous videos. So anyway, we have the alternator, the fan, AC condenser, radiator, radiator pipe, AC lines, all these miscellaneous, battery tray and everything. Also, so this is the key thing. That's why I like to get a salvage parts, because if I bought it brand new, these modules and stuff might not come in. Also, I have all these miscellaneous parts that I think I will need it later. So I think that's about it for all the parts. So you will see what's going on next. All right. So like you guys saw earlier clips, I got all the parts, everything I wanted. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Only thing I need is the AC charge unit, but let me show you. It's not coming in. This is the R1234YF, which is kind of pretty expensive. This alone is 50 bucks, and you have to buy the whole what is it called, the charging cables and everything too. I got that because this guy right here has the same. So hopefully I won't have any issues charging them. But anyhow, all the parts are there, so he's fixing it, and let's go. I got a small clip while it's in the frame machine and everything. So anyhow, so all the parts are done. The part 2 of this video is done. So hopefully I'll see you on part 3, which is the completion of the Cherokee 2015. So hopefully I'll make my customization, make it cooler and everything. I need to sell this car really fast because I spent so much money, like close to 10 grand. So I need to sell it at least 13,000. So fingers crossed I could able to see you guys. Sell it, my bad. So anyhow, I'll see you guys on part 3 on the Jeep Cherokee 2015 rebuilding. See you guys later. This is Dave Pereira signing out. See ya.